In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view company reviews on Indeed. If you're actively searching for a job, understanding more about potential employers can make a huge difference in your decision-making. It helps you go beyond job titles and descriptions so you can better evaluate whether a company is the right fit for your goals, work style, and expectations. In this guide, I'll walk you through a simple way to explore job listings and uncover valuable company insights using Indeed. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official website of Indeed. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a search bar where you can enter a job title that matches the role you are interested in. You can also add a location to narrow down your search results. Being specific with your keywords will help you find more relevant opportunities. After the results appear, browse through the list of job postings and select one that interests you. Click on the job title to open the full listing. Here you will find important details such as the job description, responsibilities, and sometimes salary information. This gives you a clearer idea of what the position involves. Once you are viewing the job details, take a closer look at the company name shown within the listing. Click on it to access the company's profile page. This page is designed to give you more background about the organization, including what they do and their overall presence on the platform. On the company profile page, look for a section labeled Reviews. When you open this section, you will be able to see feedback from people who have worked at the company. These reviews often include real experiences about workplace culture, management style, working conditions, and overall employee satisfaction. Reading through these insights is very useful because it gives you a more realistic view of what it is like to work there. It helps you identify both the positive aspects and any potential challenges before you decide to apply. By using these features, you can make more informed career choices instead of relying only on job descriptions. It allows you to approach your job search with more confidence and clarity. And that is how you can view company reviews and gain deeper insights while using Indeed during your job search. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.